In this module, we are going to talk about growing economy is often linked to a decrease in death. Mortality rate. Mortality rate is called death rate. It refers to the measure of total number of deaths in a specific population. Mortality rate is based on the size of that population and per unit of time. Again, I would say that mortality rate in different countries is different as per condition of the state leadership, that how they are taking or prioritizing the health issues, that changes the mortality rate in every state. Inadequate access to high quality healthcare results in a significant number of unnecessary deaths. It also creates a considerable macroeconomic problem for underdeveloped and developing countries. Low income countries become the main sufferers due to economic instability. We need to understand one point necessarily here. When I say that state responsibility, yes, state has to perform, but it doesn't mean that individuals are not responsible then. We as individual make the whole state. The collection of individuals are in fact making a state. So I mean to say that in any state where more individuals take up the responsibility and they believe that they have to perform their duties instead of demanding rights, that state would be healthier in socio political, economic, and health issues, security issues, environment issues, if every individual is taking the responsibility. Unfortunately, the states which are unhealthy, socio political, and economically, are unhealthy owing to its health issues, are having more environmental issues, are the states where we as an individual are not performing our duties, are not ready to take up the responsibility that we have to keep our environment clean. We have to take care of our health. Are we going for morning walk? Are we taking our food with intermittent intervals? Are we are taking one time food with a पूरा पेट भर के हमने खाना खा लिया है और ये नहीं सोच रहे कि हमें एहतियात से हेल्दी चीज़ों को खाना चाहिए, पहली बात तो। दूसरा ये है कि वक्फों वक्फों के साथ थोड़ी थोड़ी खुराक लेनी चाहिए, ना कि एक ही बार पेट को भर लें जिससे हमें बीमारियां लग सकती हैं। तो ये हमारी इनफरादी जिम्मेदारी है। इसमें कोई हुकूमत आके हमें नहीं बताएगी कि आपने किस तरह से खाना है, किस तरह से पीना है, वर्जिश करनी है, नहीं करनी है। तो ये जब तक हम एज एन इंडिविजुअल ये जिम्मेदारी खुद नहीं उठाएंगे, कोई रियासत आपको खुशहाल नहीं बना सकती। आपके तमाम सेहत के मसाइल, आपके माहौल के मसाइल हल नहीं कर सकती। Improving the quality of health systems, making health services accessible and affordable will decrease the death rate in the developing countries and is therefore both an economic and a humanitarian imperative is required. Low mortality rate can reduce economic losses. There should be a balance, if you want to have a better environment among individuals and resources. So, indulging in this debate that if people are dying, there are more problems. Sometimes it happens that if naturally people are dying, and it is becoming a reason for more economic resources for the upcoming or the next generations. So we can see the same thing in different perspectives. If you could see that health related sustainable development goals, and here we can find that number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, and 6, and you would see that how these 6 goals address the various key issues of public health. You see, poverty, hunger, food security, health, education, gender equality, women empowerment, and sustainable. As far as women empowerment is concerned, we need to understand that the societies where women are not respected cannot develop. It is not only the West, but it is in fact basic human nature believes in respecting each other. If women are not respecting men, they cannot be healthy enough as far as their economy is concerned, as far as their status in the society is concerned. In the same way, if men are not respecting women, if men are not respecting women, again there would be disastrous results for that society. So we need to understand that we all collectively have to, protect our environment with our responsibilities and duties towards each other. In order to meet the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals by 2030, all countries are supposed to work on the following two areas: achieving universal health coverage, improving access to high quality health care. It demands from the decision makers that they supposed to perform their duties and to deliver for the welfare of the state. Here are the determinants of quality of life: epidemiological environment where person lives, availability of health care, medical insurance services, access to modern medical knowledge in rural communities. This is where the shoe pinches. In rural sites, usually developing countries do not invest or install the same industries which is located or installed in the urban areas. Therefore, people from rural areas start running or rushing towards urban areas. It causes many health issues and other problems, deprivations, emerge. So we need to see into this very seriously.